What's going on, everybody, and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the vacant home tax planned to take effect in 2023. What is this new tax? What does it mean for homeowners? How is it calculated? And when is the deadline? I'm also going to walk you through how to declare and the exemptions to this new tax. My name's Dan Chiasson, and I'm a realtor here in Toronto that provides educational content and market info for first-time buyers who are just starting out their home buying journey. So let's dive right into this. Although this tax doesn't impact the process of buying a new home, it is very important to consider how your new home will be used once purchased to avoid any tax issues in the future. If you are a homeowner, don't ignore this because it could cost you a lot of money and headache. First off, let's start by explaining what the vacant home tax is. This new tax is levied on homeowners who leave their homes unoccupied for a total of 6 months during the previous calendar year. So your home is vacant. How is this tax calculated and what will you have to pay? The tax is calculated as a percentage of the home's assessed value. Don't get this confused with market value, which is typically much higher. This is the value currently being used when calculating the property's taxes you're already paying. The current rate for a vacant home is 1% of the home's assessed value. Keep in mind that this isn't starting in 2023. The tax will be looking back at 2022. So if you left your home unoccupied for more than 6 months in 2022, you will be required to pay the vacant home tax. For example, if the assessed value on your property is $1 million, the tax amount billed would be $10,000, which is 1% of $1 million. So how do you make this declaration anyways? To make this declaration, you will need your 21-digit assessment roll number and your customer number from your tax bill or property tax account statement. You can make this declaration through the city's online portal, or you may have already received a paper declaration form in the mail, which can be completed and mailed in. For residential properties that are occupied, but not by the homeowners, the owners will be required to submit information about tenants and or permitted occupants when making the declaration. Just note that failure to declare or making a false declaration could result in a fine between $250 and $10,000. If you don't declare your home as occupied or exempt from the tax by the deadline, which is February 2nd, 2023, it will be assumed that your property is vacant and you will be charged this tax. It is a little harsh, but I guess it's necessary to ensure that everyone is reporting with accuracy. If you want to declare online, I'm gonna drop the link in the top of my description to the Toronto webpage where you can submit this declaration. Don't wait, get this over with as soon as possible. We spoke earlier about some exemptions to this tax. Let's dive into those. If you are using your home as a rental property, you are temporarily away for work, renovations, if you're court ordered, or if you're away from your residence due to health issues or other reasons listed on the Toronto exemption page, you may not have to pay this tax, even if your home was vacant. If you are required to pay this tax, it is important to make sure that you pay it on time, as failing to do so can result in penalties and additional fees. Overall, the vacant home tax was designed to encourage homeowners to use their homes and increase the supply of housing by discouraging homeowners from leaving their residential properties unoccupied. Homeowners who choose to keep their properties vacant will be subject to this tax. Revenues collected from the vacant home tax will be allocated towards affordable housing initiatives. If you have any questions about this tax, or if you think you might be required to pay it, we recommend that you speak to a qualified tax professional or contact your municipality for more information. But you know what? I am curious. What do you think about this? Do you think it will make homes more affordable? Do you think it's going to create more supply? Do you think there's enough vacant homes in Toronto for this tax to make a difference? Let me know what you think in the comments. For those who stuck around to the end, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you want more informative videos like the one you just watched.